Drink.
Nature is so beautiful, isn't it, Nev? This is my niece Nevaeh. She's with me today. She's with me a lot. She's my favorite little girl. And today we are going to talk about healing in nature and just being in nature and how healing and happy it makes someone. Now, as you know, here little girl, let me introduce myself. It's been a while. So hello everybody, it is the San Gabriel Valley Girl, Miss Rosemary Montoya. I know I haven't been on here in a while. It's been about a year since I've done a vlog, and the reason is because I've been writing and finishing my book, editing my book, and I am finished, and now I am looking for an agent to represent me. So anyways, me and Nev are here in beautiful nature. Show them the mountains, Nevi. There's a lot of birds. Okay, if you guys know about you guys love nature. Nature is something that you have to make sure that you get out in no matter what the weather. Rain or shine, thunderstorms or birds singing, it doesn't matter. Get outside every day to embrace the beauty, to look at the beauty, to feel all the lively earth around you. Mother Earth is so beautiful and so healing, and it would be even better if you could take a walk, 20 to 30 minutes, 10 if you don't feel you have the time.
I want to go take a walk. But
no matter what, get outside, even if you're not going to walk, and just look around for a little bit.
And go take a walk.
And just enjoy the beauty. Watch, I'm gonna tape Nevaeh looking around, enjoying the beauty too. Look, Nevi, the moon. It matches the clouds.
Up there.
Just getting out and breathing. I can just feel my endorphins and my serotonin levels rising just by taking deep breaths and just embracing all this beauty.
I'm taking a beautiful walk.
We're gonna take a little walk right now. Maybe we'll go night swimming later, huh, Nabi?
Yeah.
We love swimming. Swimming is so much fun. Come on, little girl.
Hi. How are you? Good, thank you.
Hi. There's some nice neighbors. They're so popular still. See? And if you guys, you know, maybe you guys could go get outside, and if you don't have a pool around, you could
Just
go to a lake,
friends.
go to your friends, go to a lake, go to the beach. The beach is the coolest because of the grounding. And there's so many healing properties when it comes to grounding.
I want to go night swimming.
So do I. And the sun is setting like right now, basically in a couple of minutes.
When we go night swimming.
Yay! It'll be so much fun.
Bet I'll beat you all the way to there and back.
I'm actually a pretty fast swimmer there, but I don't doubt it. I know she is just, she's
Non-stop.
yeah, she's a hardcore, she's a mermaid now. We're both mermaids. Oh, the lights just turned on.
Oh, it's getting warmer.
Night swimming officially begins now. Look at the moon. It's getting a little bit shinier
Okay,
and
guys.
brighter. Little mermaid.
True story. I am a mermaid. Hold on, I have to tell you guys something. A secret. Nobody knows.
Okay,
this.
nobody knows, but like, okay, come here. What is the darn secret?
Secret.
I love how birds just fly in pairs all the time.
I'm Ariel's sister.
What?
I'm Ariel's sister. Her secret sister no one knows about.
But what about me?
You're her evil stepsister.
No, I'm her sister too.
No, you're her cousin. Remember?
No, she's my sister.
No, you're her cousin. You've told me this whole my whole life so far that you're her cousin.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
No. You're Ariel's niece because I'm Ariel. Say it. Come on. Say you're Ariel's niece.
Fine.
Come on. Say it. Do it over again. The secret. Because I'm Ariel. Because I'm older. And
Okay, guys.
you're the daughter.
Wait, I have to be over here then. Guys, I have to tell you a big giant mermaid's secret. Okay, the truth is, my aunt filming, don't tell. She's actually Ariel. And I'm Ariel's niece. Nobody in the world knows that.
Shh, don't tell anyone. Love you, little buddy. So, as you know, getting out in nature and embracing the day, the beauty, and all the smell and sounds and basically everything around you is a wonderful thing. And family is pure love and is so wonderful. And be grateful for all the love you have in your life, everyone. We're gonna sign out now.
And sign out.
Say, ready? Say bye.
Bye.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Love you. Bye bye. So this is my niece Nevaeh, and she's gonna tell you what the vlogs are gonna be about and what her channel is gonna be called and who's gonna be in it.
Me, of course.
Any ideas?
And then
It'll be fun.
back to school.
Back to school, yes.
And then we're gonna do girls and boys, 2 different stores. So the girls will go to Target, and then the boys will go to Walmart. 'Cause girls probably like Target more than Walmart. And then
Did you know that when you're sorry.
oh wait, never mind. I'm not gonna say it till we make the video. You'll see what happens.
When I was 15, I worked at Walmart. Remember? No, I was 16. But anyway, sorry. But anyway, so
And then tonight we'll take you on our trip, and that will be my first video, but just with me today.